Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie eggless. Eggs are often used in traditional pie recipes to bind ingredients and add a rich texture. However, you can easily achieve a delicious pie without them. We'll explore simple substitutions and techniques to ensure your eggless apple pie is just as delightful and satisfying as any other. For your eggless pie crust, start with cold butter or a suitable plant-based shortening cut into small pieces. Combine it with flour and a pinch of salt, then gradually add ice water until a dough forms. Avoid overworking the dough. Once combined, wrap it and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender, flaky crust. Now let's prepare the delicious apple filling. Choose firm, tart apples such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp for the best texture and flavor. Peel, core, and slice about 6 to 8 medium apples. Toss them with sugar, cinnamon, and a touch of nutmeg. To ensure a perfectly set filling, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or flour, which will thicken the juices beautifully. Finally, it's time to bake your eggless apple pie. Place the pie in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.